Chapter 1, Introduction to TikTok Shop, the Future of Social Commerce. TikTok Shop is changing the way people buy and sell online. Instead of sending customers to external websites, TikTok now allows users to purchase products directly within the app, turning entertainment into e-commerce. If you've ever seen a TikTok where someone shows off a beauty product, gadget, or piece of clothing and you see a little shopping bag icon or Shop Now button, that's TikTok Shop in action. This is more than just a trend. TikTok Shop is an in-app selling platform where creators, brands, and even complete beginners can sell products through short-form video and live content. Why TikTok Shop is a big opportunity. TikTok has over 1 billion active users, and its algorithm is designed to push out content, even from new accounts. This means that you don't need a huge following to get views, clicks, or sales. The platform works especially well for products that are visually interesting or easy to demo, affordable and impulse-friendly, typically under $50, solving a clear or relatable problem, tied to popular trends, niches, or lifestyle content. With TikTok Shop, you can sell your own products, work with suppliers, dropshipping or wholesale, or earn commissions by promoting products as an affiliate, all without needing your own website. How it works. There are 3 main roles in TikTok Shop. Sellers, people who list products and fulfill orders. Affiliates/creators, people who promote those products in videos or lives. Buyers, regular TikTok users who shop through the app. As a seller, you'll manage your business through the TikTok Shop Seller Center, where you can upload products, track orders, manage returns, and connect with creators. The real magic of TikTok Shop lies in the content. A single engaging video showing how a product works can drive thousands of views and sales without spending $1 on ads. You don't need to be an expert. TikTok Shop is designed to be beginner-friendly. You don't need marketing experience or professional video skills. What you do need is a willingness to learn and test content, basic product research, a consistent posting strategy, a focus on authenticity over perfection. This masterclass will walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your shop to creating videos that sell, running live streams, working with influencers, analyzing your data, and eventually scaling into a real business. Key takeaway. TikTok Shop is one of the most exciting opportunities in e-commerce right now. It's fast-moving, accessible, and designed to reward creators and sellers who can combine simple content with smart product choices. You don't need to be famous. You just need to show up, test ideas, and keep learning. Let's get started.